Draganfly is proud to announce that together with F4D Defence, we have been selected by the Department of War for an initial development contract focused on the creation of an integrated counter-unmanned aerial system designed to detect, identify, track, target, and defeat hostile drones in contested operational environments. As low-cost, unmanned aerial threats continue to reshape modern warfare and critical infrastructure, the demand for scalable and rapidly deployable counter-drone systems has become a top operational priority for Allied Defense Forces. This program represents another major step in Draganfly's expansion into advanced defense, force protection, and autonomous security technologies, combining our advanced tether aerial platform capabilities with integrated identification, targeting, and drone defeat systems. Together with F4D Defence, Draganfly is developing a mobile counter-UAS solution engineered to provide persistent aerial overwatch, enhanced situational awareness, and coordinated air-to-ground based mitigation capabilities for both expeditionary and fixed-site operations. The integrated platform is expected to combine persistent tethered airborne surveillance, AI-enabled drone identification and tracking, real-time battlefield awareness, and coordinated electronic and kinetic defeat capabilities into a unified operating system designed for these modern contested environments. Built for rapid deployment and operational flexibility, the solution is intended to support military installations, forward operating positions, and critical infrastructure against increasingly sophisticated unmanned threats. As modern conflicts continue to demonstrate the growing impact of asymmetric drone warfare, defense agencies globally are accelerating investments into layered counter-UAS technologies that are capable of protecting personnel, infrastructure, and operational assets in real time. Through the development of autonomous systems, tactical ISR technologies, AI-enabled platforms, and of course, mission-critical drone solutions, Draganfly continues to strengthen its position as a trusted partner, supporting allied military, defense, and public safety organizations worldwide, saving time, money, and lives.